Hey everybody, Marty from Carefree Observatory. Hey, welcome. Today, this last week, it's pretty hot. We got a shade structure up here now. Got the fireplace in. I just finished up running the gas line, tying it into the gas line I put in 2 years ago for this, with anticipation of installing a fireplace here down the road, or a fire pit. But that's what we did. Finished it today. I'm gonna have Juan finish this off tomorrow. Next week we'll finish off the deck around and the hearth around the fireplace. Got the lather starting this week. He wants to start doing the foam stucco board. Got to get some windows and doors still installed, changed out on the old kitchen, and continue with the patio here. But we got some time lapse of the fireplace build, some more aerial photo. Things are just moving along. Got to get this material in the air. But it's been a heck of a hot week. We're doing the best we can. Appreciate everybody stopping by and subscribe. And we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. I think we need another couple hundred more. We'll get there. But thank you for subscribing and your interest in what we're doing here. attic looks like in a house in Arizona. A lot of electrical wire, all trusses. People, if you remember watching us install these trusses, what, 2-3 weeks ago, this is how far we've progressed. Hope you follow us and keep up on everything that we're doing. Thank you. Hit the like button and subscribe. Tell your friends. Thanks.